Where is the check-in counter? Check-in counter はどこですか？ Where is the check-in counter? I like to check in for my flight. フライトのチェックインをしたいです。I like to check in for my flight. Can I have a nice seat, please? 通路側の席にできますか？ Can I have a nice seat, please? How many bags can I check in? 預けられる荷物は何個までですか？ How many bags can I check in?Is my carry-on bag okay? この着替え持ち込み手荷物は大丈夫ですか？ Is my carry-on bag okay? Where is the security check? 保安検査場はどこですか？ Where is the security check? Do I need to take off my shoes? 靴を脱ぐ必要がありますか？ Do I need to take off my shoes?For immigration これは入国審査の列ですか？ Is this the line for immigration? How long is the wait time? 待ち時間はどれくらいですか？ How long is the wait time? My flight is delayed, what should I do? フライトが遅れています、どうすればいいですか？ My flight is delayed, what should I do?Where is gate 25? 25番ゲートはどこですか？ Where is gate 25? When will boarding begin? 搭乗はいつ始まりますか？ When will boarding begin? Can I board now? もう搭乗できますか？ Can I board?このターミナルに Wi-Fi はありますか？ Is there Wi-Fi in this terminal? Where can I fill my water bottle? 水筒に水を入れられる場所はどこですか？ Where can I fill my water bottle? I missed my flight, what are my options? 飛行機に乗り遅れました、どうすればいいですか？ I missed my flight, what are my options?My luggage is missing 荷物が見つかりません My luggage is missing Where is the lost and found office? 石本センターはどこですか？ Where is the lost and found office? Can I change my seat? 席を受けらできますか？ Can I change my seat?How much is the upgrade fee? アップグレード料金はいくらですか？ How much is the upgrade fee? I have a reservation under the name Max 予約している Max です I have a reservation under the name Max I like to check in please チェックインをお願いします I like to check in please Is breakfast included? 朝食は含まれていますか？ Is breakfast included? What time is checkout? Checked out は何時ですか？ What time is checkout? Could you hold my luggage? 荷物を預かっていただけますか？ Could you hold my luggage? Is the map of the area? この周辺の地図はありますか？ Is there a map of the area?The Wi-Fi isn't working Wi-Fi が使えません The Wi-Fi isn't working Could you send someone to fix it? 誰か直しに来ていただけますか？ Could you send someone to fix it? My room key doesn't work ルームキーが作動しません My room key doesn't work Do you have a quieter room? もう少し静かな部屋はありますか？Do you have a quieter room? Can I get extra towels? タオルを追加でもらえますか？ Can I get extra towels? Is the laundry service? レンドリーサービスはありますか？ Is there a laundry service? shuttle to the airport 空港までのシャトルはありますか Do you have a shuttle to the airport 空港までのシャトルはありますか Can I extend my stay? Can I extend my stay? Is there a supermarket nearby? 近くにスーパーマーケットはありますか Is there a supermarket nearby? Where is the elevator? Elevator エレベーターはどこですか、I like to change my room 部屋を変えてほしいです I like to change my room Can you call a taxi for me? タクシー呼んでいただけますか、Can you call a taxi for me? I like a late checkout I like a late checkout レイトチェッカーをお願いしたいです、I like a late checkout I'm checking out, could you store my bags? チェックアウトします荷物を預けられますか、I'm checking out, could you store my bags? How do I get to the station? 駅へはどう行けばいいですか How do I get to the station? Is this the right bus? これは正しいバスですか Is this the right bus? Where is the nearest subway entrance? 最寄りの地下鉄の入り口はどこですか Where is the nearest subway entrance? 最寄りの地下鉄の入り口はどこですか Where is the nearest subway entrance? How long does it take to get there? そこまでどれくらい時間がかかりますか How long does it take to get there?Could you tell me when to get off? 降りるとき教えていただけますか Could you tell me when to get off? Does this train go downtown? この電車はダウンタウンに行きますか Does this train go downtown? Where can I buy a ticket? どこでチケットを買えますか Where can I buy a ticket? Do I need to transfer? 乗り換えは必要ですか Do I need to transfer?Is this seat taken? この席は取られていますか Is this seat taken? How much is the taxi to the airport? 空港までタクシーはいくらですか How much is the taxi to the airport? Could you take me to this address? この住所までお願いします Could you take me to this address?This address Please drop me off here ここで降ろしてください Please drop me off here Do you accept credit cards? クレジットカードを使えますか Do you accept credit cards? What time is the last train? 最終電車は何日ですか What time is the last train? Is it safe to walk around here? この辺りを歩いても安全ですか Is it safe to walk around here? Where is the tourist information center? Where is the tourist information center? What do you recommend in this area? この辺りで何かおすすめはありますか What do you recommend in this area? Is there a restroom nearby? 近くにトイレはありますか Is there a restroom nearby? Can I walk there from here? ここから歩いて行けますか Can I walk there from here? Where can I rent a bicycle? 自転車はどこで借りられますか Where can I rent a bicycle? How much is this? これはいくらですか How much is this? Do you have this in another size? これの別のサイズはありますか Do you have this in another size? Can I try it on? 試着してもいいですか Can I try it on? Oh, do you have this in another color? これの別の色はありますか Oh, do you have this in another color? I'll take this, please. これをください。I'll take this please. Yeah. Can I return this? これは返金できますか？ Can I return this? Is this on sale? これはセール品ですか？ Is this on sale? Do you accept cash only? 現金のみですか？ Do you accept cash only? Where is the fitting room? 試着室はどこですか？ Where is the fitting room? Can I get a receipt? レシートをもらえますか？ Can I get a receipt? A table for one, please. 一人ですか？席をお願いします。A table for one, please. No. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, do you have an English menu? 英語のメニューはありますか？ありますか？ Do you have an English menu? What do you recommend? おすすめは何ですか？ What do you recommend? I have a food allergy. 食物アレルギーがあります。I have a food allergy. Could I get this without onions? これ玉ねぎ抜きでお願いできますか？ Could I get this without onions? Can I get it to go? これをテイクアウトできますか？ Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I get it to go? May I have some water, please? お水をいただけますか？ May I have some water, please? Yeah. Can I pay separately? 別々に支払えますか？割り勘できますか？ Can I pay separately? The food was delicious. 料理とても美味しかったです。Yeah, yeah, 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 yeah. The food was delicious. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Could I get the check, please? お会計をお願いします。Could I get the check, please? Hey. Yeah. I think I'm lost. 道に迷ったと思います。Hey. I think I'm lost. Can you help me? 助けてもらえますか？ Can you help me? My phone isn't working. 携帯が使えません。My phone isn't working. Hey, I can find my wallet. Yeah, I can't find my wallet. 財布が見つかりません。Yeah, yeah. I can't find my wallet. Yeah, 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 yeah. Something is wrong with my order. 注文に何か問題があります。Yeah, yeah. Something is wrong with my order. I missed the bus. バスに乗り遅れました。Yeah, yeah, yeah. I missed the bus. Could you speak more slowly? もっとゆっくり話していただけますか？ Could you speak more slowly? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't understand. Yeah, 理解できません。Yeah, yeah. I don't understand. Yeah, I'm looking for my friend. Yeah, 友達を探しています。I'm looking for my friend. Yeah, could you write that down? それを書いていただけますか？ Yeah, yeah. Could you write that down? Yeah, yeah. I need help right now. 今すぐ助けが必要です。Yeah, I need help right now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please call an ambulance. 救急車を呼んでください。Yeah, yeah. Please call an ambulance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm not feeling well. 体調がよくありません。Yeah, yeah. I'm not feeling well. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think I need a doctor. 医者に診てもらった方が良さそうです。Yeah. I think I need a doctor. Is there a hospital nearby? Yeah, yeah, yeah. 近くに病院はありますか？ Yeah, yeah. Is there a hospital nearby? Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm having trouble breathing. Yeah. 呼吸が苦しいです。Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm having trouble breathing. Yeah, 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 yeah. Someone stole my bed. バッグを盗まれました。Someone stole my bed. I need to contact the police. 警察に に連絡する必要があります。 I need to contact the police. I'm injured. 怪我をしています。 I'm injured. Please stay with me. そばにいてください。 Please stay with me.